Good day, everyone. This is Alexis R. Osorio, and today's lesson is about linear equations in two variables. In this lesson, we will learn how to find the x and y-intercepts of linear equations. Is x-intercept? Okay, x-intercept is the x-coordinate of the point at which the graph intersects the x-axis. Ito yung point of intersection ng x-axis at ng line or equation. Y-intercept. Y-intercept is the y-coordinate of the point at which the graph intersects the y-axis. Ito naman yung point of intersection ng y-axis at ng line or graph. So, paano ba natin kunin si x at y-intercept? Okay, let us have our first example. Find the x and y-intercepts of 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So, dalawa ang hinahanap natin, x-intercept at y-intercept. Let us start with this. Kunin muna natin si x-intercept. To get the x-intercept, let y is equal to 0. Ia-assign natin na ang value ni y ay 0. So, paano ba yan? So, una, write down the given equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Ngayon, papalitan natin si y ng 0. Okay, so this will be 2x plus 3 times the quantity 0 is equal to 6. Okay, now, it is by substitution. We just substituted the value of y in the equation. After substituting the value of y, we will now simplify it. This will be 2x plus 3 times 0 is 0. No need to write 0 equals 6. We are looking for the value of x. So we will think of the multiplicative inverse of 2. Okay, so that will be 1/2. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 1/2. 1/2 times 2x is equal to 6 times 1/2. So that is by MPE, multiplication property of equality. Let us now simplify. 1/2 times 2x is x is equal to 6 times 1/2 is 3. Thus, the x-intercept is 3. Okay, so ang x-intercept ng ating equation is 3. Kapag makikita natin to sa ating Cartesian plane, this will be 3, 0. Okay, dahil inassign natin yung una pa lang si y ay 0. So, ang y-coordinate natin is 0. Okay. Now, we already know how to get the x-intercept. Let's now proceed on how to get the y-intercept. To get the y-intercept, let x is equal to 0. Kabaliktaran ng pagkuha ng x-intercept, ito naman, x ang gagawin nating 0. So first, write down the given equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. And then, papalitan natin ngayon si x ng 0. This will be 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. That is by substitution, because we just substituted the value of x in the equation. Let us now simplify. 2 times 0 is 0. No need to write 0. So this will be 3y is equal to 6. Ano naman ngayon ang multiplicative inverse ni 3? That will be 1/3. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 1/3. This will be 1/3 times 3y is equal to 6 times 1/3. That is by MPE. So simplifying this, it will be y is equal to 2. Thus, the y-intercept is 2. And if we are going to look it in the partition plane, the coordinates are 0, 2. So as simple as that. Just remember on how to get the value of, or how to get the x and y-intercept. We will just assign the value of x and y. So sa pagkuha ng x-intercept, huwag kalilimutan, y is equal to 0. To get the y-intercept naman, x is equal to 0. Okay, now, another example. Number 2. Find the x and y-intercepts of 4x minus 7y is equal to negative 28. So the same process. Okay, so to get the x-intercept, let y is equal to 0. First, write down the given equation and then substitute the value of y. This will be 4x minus 7 times 0 is equal to negative 28 by substitution. Let us now simplify. We already know that negative 7 times 0 is 0. So this will be 4x is equal to negative 28. Multiply both sides by 1/4. 1/4 times 4x is equal to negative 28 times 1/4. That is by MPE. And simplifying this, it will be x is equal to negative 7. Thus, the x-intercept is negative 7. Its coordinates are negative 7, 0. Next, to get the y-intercept, let x is equal to 0. Bring down our, or write down our equation. 4x minus 7y is equal to negative 28. X naman ang papalitan natin ng 0. 4 times 0 minus 7y is equal to negative 28. 4 times 0 is 0. So we have negative 7y is equal to negative 28. So we will think of the multiplicative inverse of negative 7. And that is negative 1 over 7. Okay, multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1 over 7. It will be y is equal to 4. Thus, the y-intercept is 4. And the coordinates are 0, 4. Okay, so just don't forget on how to get the x and y-intercept. Okay, because this is just easy if you will learn it step by step. Okay, and that would be all for you to learn something from me. Okay, see you on my next video. Thank you so much.